The mass airflow sensor sends a signal to the engine computer indicating how much air is entering the engine. Based on this signal, the engine computer is able to determine the amount of time the fuel injectors need to be open. If air enters the engine through a leak that bypasses the mass airflow sensor, the engine computer will not be able to determine the correct amount of time the fuel injectors are open. Engines with vacuum leaks can run rough, and if the vacuum leak is severe enough, it may not idle at all. When a vacuum leak occurs, the oxygen sensors will send a lean signal to the engine computer, which will then store a diagnostic trouble code and illuminate the check engine light.